continuation with the last lecture, we have seen that DRA resonant modes help us to provide larger bandwidth if in case we merge these resonant modes. Second case was that by splitting these resonant modes, we can operate same antenna on different frequencies. It means mode 1 will give different frequency, mode 2 will give different frequency, mode 3 will give different frequency. So three different services can be served with the same antenna using frequency of mode 1, frequency of mode 2, frequency of mode 3. So two different applications we have seen in case of DRA, that is dielectric resonant antenna, for wideband and for multiple band. Now, what is the applications of having three different services on one antenna? Antenna will be able to provide you the services on microwave frequency as well as on terahertz frequency. So DRA we have used not only for communication, but we can use them for radars. Now in patch antenna the power handling capability is less, whereas in DRA huge amount of power handling capability is available. So the radars will help us to generate huge amount of power. It means power handling capability in DRA is larger as compared to patch antennas. One more scenario, they are made up from dielectric materials. It means they are temperature independent. In case of patch antennas, they are temperature dependent, but dielectric resonator antennas are temperature independent. It means they can operate at Jaisalmer, where having huge temperature, as well as they can similarly operate at Leh Ladakh, where temperature is sub-zero. So this way, not only these limited advantages, but many more advantages are there. If we recall antenna parameters such as gain, S11, polarization, reflection coefficient, radiation pattern, quality factor, then azimuth angle, elevation angle, and many more other parameters are there. We can play with these parameters to get the desired results depending on different applications of radio communication, broadcasting, and radar applications. Now, why antenna is so popular as far as DRA is concerned? Because it is emerging topic which has not been so explored, but nowadays the people, more than 10,000 research papers are available on dielectric resonator antennas. So research community in antenna is approaching towards exploring new researches in antenna field using dielectric as a material. Losses are less, efficiency is more, the applications are more. That is why the topic of dielectric resonator antenna is becoming more and more popular now. But there are few problems in these areas also. Reason being, now we can bend these metallic antennas, but that bending of dielectric resonator antenna is difficult. Reason being, they are made from dielectric materials. But because of research, there are many research groups which are exploring the material characteristics, and they are able to develop the flexible dielectric materials just like films. So the problem of bending, or you can say to give curvature shape or different shapes, now it is become possible. Reason being, a lot of research group have come up with the proposal that using poly materials, they will be able to develop dielectric materials which can be used for antennas. there are various active materials as well as passive materials. These are being used as films, and because of those invent of those recent materials, we are able to root out the problem of that also. Hence the efficiency, low loss, and depending on whatever the shape we want to have, we will be able to get all the features which were available in metallic antennas, and higher improved parameters are also available in dielectric resonant antennas. So this way I can conclude that DRA are much better as compared to patch antennas. Thank you very much.